don't get me wrong, ne? And angithandi nokuxoxa ngayo apolice because is one of those players oyenza into eqinile insibali into sonke singahluleka nokuyenza uyenza simple so sesimjwayele noma bathi ubalo korilo apolice uma ku spectacular ngithola as long as ku police we going to be like yeah hayi angifuna ukutshela manga majets abona icontract yakalomjida umuntu oyaziyo ukuthi kuphi yakalomjida no Hugo Bruce ne ngicela azosibonisa yona because ngisho icontract yaka apolice no Hugo Bruce ukuthi you are always there at the right point and at the right moment ayengeke kwapolice solo udas bani lo mjida noma ngainvitwa ngepartini udas bani and yazisqueeze space now apolice solo kusespacini angifuna ukutshela manje ngisho lo mjida kamazi no Hugo Bruce vele wabhala ephepheni you are there when you have to be there phela he's one of the players engibelieve ukuthi ngeke sibuye the squad yosolo bathi hey police where are you coming back ngeke lentwana ihlala ikhona espacing like a lot of people wouldn't realize ukuthi le goal lelinzima kanjani mfethu check how he squeezes this ball smart angithola mara ngoba wa police ikhasha show asinankinga ngeke wo gents bayapheka ngalo udlalela team engayifuli uyabazi abo bathi ngathi ngasolo ungiphothi icanda bari manje ayisi right sa remain humble sa celebrate 3 points basirasele babhizi bathi babakorayo mara kuyikhuma manga gents yo apolice always there phela contract yakhe no Hugo Bruce le uyibheke